So we are on the epic road trip right now, and we wanted to have a crab boil. And so we checked out this place. It's called the Crafty Crab, and they have almost everything you can imagine seafood. We got lobster, king crab, shrimp, comes with all the crab boil amenities, and we even got some fried shrimp with some of those breaded fries that everyone loves so much. They give you a bib when you're taking it to go. They give you a matching pair of designer plastic gloves. The one thing they do not give you is they do not give you the crab cracker or the crab scissors. So they allowed me to come in right before they closed and crack all of my crab. So that was nice. So I went ahead and gave him a nice tip because he was helpful enough to help us while we're in the hotel. And so I'm gonna go ahead and dump it. You can look at it and then we'll go ahead and tell you how it was when we are done. All right, so we got this really big king crab. Now, just to let you know, when I was cracking it, it was almost like holding a rose bush. These things are super sharp. It's got some delicious no-head shrimp, full-size potatoes, carrots. We also got some lobster tails. I've never seen lobster tails in a broil. So this is gonna be tasty, we hope, and we'll let you know how it is when we're done. So these are the lobster tails. When you order 1 pound of lobster tails, you get 2 full-size lobster tails. They pre-slice them down the center for you so that you can dig right in and enjoy them. Tender, buttery, and delicious. I've got bad news. It completely disappeared. It was finger licking good. They do give you the things here, gloves, but I actually recommend taking them off and eating it by itself. My wife told me, hey, it's super good. You're gonna have to eat it. It was tasty, but my wife also taught me a secret. After you're done and your hands smell like fish, right? You take lemon juice and you put lemon juice all over your hands, and then you wash your hands and they smell good again, and they don't smell like fish or garlic. So that's pretty awesome and amazing. I would definitely give it a thumbs up. How about you, baby?
10 thumbs up.
10 thumbs up. And their fried shrimp was really tasty, really fresh. You also give it a thumbs up?
10,000.
And my son gives it 10,000 thumbs up. So we really enjoy it. Crafty Crab was tasty and delicious. They had excellent customer service. I was very thankful. I gave the guy a tip even if I was just picking it up because he really helped me out while we were in the hotel. And we would definitely eat here again. It is a little bit pricey. We got a pound of lobster, pound of king crab, and pound of shrimp, plus a 10-piece shrimp plate. That ran $110. But I'll tell you what, it was worth it. We're full, we're happy, and it was phenomenal. So hopefully this review was helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up. Tell us what your favorite ingredient for shrimp boils are, or crab boils, or lobster boils. Tell us what you like the best down in the description, and subscribe so you can check out more videos with family fun and reviews. We'll talk to you later.